Previously, I referred to our main character here as Dancing Daniel. In case you didn't know, that's what's called alliteration. It's a literary technique in which one word, the word after that comes after it, they share the same letter at the beginning. And there's a D in dancing, and there's a D in Daniel, and look at him dance. Look at him dance. Wow. Anyway, this is Project B4 again. This is part 3, and this time, where we can select any of the characters we want, we are going to select Daniel's friend Kevin. We've seen the shooter previously, we've seen Daniel before, and now we have Kevin. And Kevin is unique in a myriad ways. One of them being that, unlike Danny, he does not get the added 20 seconds of time after picking up the scroll, so his task is much harder than Danny. He has to pick up all the scrolls and all the objects, but he doesn't get the extra time. Quite difficult. Now, a bit of lore for you lore enthusiasts out there. Kevin is actually of Eastern European descent. His family emigrated to the United States from Belarus after the collapse of the Soviet Union, and that is why you see him squatting in that posture, because as we all know, those Eastern Europeans, they sure do love squatting. This is an intentional behavior that we have purposely added into the game to add characterization and uniqueness to Kevin, and we hope you appreciate and enjoy this fact. Wow, look at him still squatting. I can hardly do wall sits for 30 seconds, and he's still going, just zooming around the map with his quadriceps flexed. That's gotta burn. And we're going around, we're collecting objects, we're collecting scrolls. We're doing pretty good so far, but how's the time? Remember, we do not get extra time for collecting scrolls, unlike with Daniel. Oh, and there we go. It's a loss for Kevin, but he sure gave it his best, and that's what counts in the end, isn't it?